Welcome to Pots in Parks, and welcome back to Planet Coaster 2, where we're building a roller coaster with 100 inversions. Our roller coaster currently has 30 inversions, and by the end of this episode, we're going to bump that up to 35 inversions. But before we jump into any sort of roller coaster building, I'm just going to give you a very quick run through of the theme park and some updates that we've made since the last episode. So as you may or may not be able to see, we are doing a few updates at the front of our park, just updating the entrance just to make that look a little bit better. And also down Main Street, it does look very similar to what it looked like before, but we have actually removed all of the buildings that we previously had, and we've improved them. So we've extended it on slightly closer to the main entrance of our roller coaster. But yeah, I think that looks much better than it did. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. And then also over here as well, we have started to build our station for our train. It is still very much a shell of a building, and I'm not going to tell you how long it took me to do this archway over the top. An embarrassingly long amount of time. But yeah, you can kind of see the vibe that we're going for there, and we'll continue to work on that sporadically over the next few episodes, I'm sure. There has been an update since we last played, so I've removed the barriers and I've replaced new barriers, so I'm hoping that now stops the guests from entering. The park is currently closed. We will open it at the end of the episode and see if that does or does not work. But as you can see, just around the right hand side here, I have added a staff path, so hopefully our janitors can use that and go around and pick up some of this disgusting litter that's around the path. So here we go. In the last episode, these were the 5 inversions that we add to our roller coaster. Yeah, I quite like them in kind of a little bit of reflective practice. I think that the overbanked turn and the kind of the heartline roll that goes over the top of the lake are maybe a little bit too fast, but we can rectify them in edit. That's not a problem at all. So for this episode, we're actually going to be working in this sort of space over here. So we have an inversion straight as you come out of the station. We have an inversion just before you go into the lift hill as well. So I think I'm going to select this sort of area here, edit the roller coaster, and I think we're going to delete there, and I think we're going to delete there, and delete there as well. And let's see if we can add anything fun in between there. And again, we're going to roughly look to add 5. I say roughly. We're going to look to add exactly 5 inversions. So yeah, let's hit that time lapse. And I have no plan for this, so let's see what happens. There we have it. We've got hopefully 5 new inversions. We had to slightly adjust this one here, so we did remove that one and re-add that one in. So but yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. It's looking like an absolute mess of a coaster, which is fantastic. And I've not actually ridden this section over here yet, so I don't know how intense that's going to be. I've not had a look at the figures yet, so yeah, let's have a little nosy. I'm going to let the coaster run its course the whole way around the roller coaster. Here it comes back into the station. Now, if we click on the roller coaster and we check out the stats, we should now, as you can see, down the bottom here, we're up to 35 inversions. However, our max vertical Gs has jumped back up to 5.2 again, so Yeah, I'm going to assume that's probably here. But yeah, let's go on for a on-ride POV. Actually, no, before we do that, we need to open up our park. Welcome our happy, happy guests to the theme park that has toilets and a roller coaster, a ton of half-finished buildings, a massive 100 sign in the middle of the pathway, and nothing else. There's no food, there's no drink. There's a very I should fix this. Next episode, we'll get rid of this. We'll try and make a industrially steampunky themed staff room, and maybe we'll add some food and drink as well. But yeah, there's nothing at all in. Got the lighting in here. Whoa! Yeah, it's all shut. No one can buy any souvenirs or buy any photos, but that's fine. Right, let's see if we're going to get anyone going on our roller coaster. So let's skip forwards. Is anybody going to come onto our roller coaster, do we think? And more importantly, are these barriers working? No! Frontier! Fix the barriers. That's so annoying. Right, Right, we will go on for a POV in a moment, I promise. Bulldoze. I just want to bulldoze the bit. Let's bulldoze that bit. Strand those people. Let's also bulldoze this bit here. Because I actually do want the staff to go around there and clean it up, because it's an absolute mess at the moment. So we'll just connect, for now, that onto there. So look, the staff can go around there. The customers can't. They vanish. What's the point of the red barriers? Here we go. Right. And breathe. Slow down. Yes. You vanish through that metal wall. We need to theme this whole queue line here. I think I would like some sort of building in this area here as well. And we need to add onto the back of these buildings so they're not just basically holes to a field. Ah! And we need to finish this too. Hey ho. Right, let's jump on for an on-ride POV. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Cuesta.